Hello everyone, you're welcome to Jasmine Children's School Asaba YouTube channel. In our Speak Right class today, I'm delighted to show you 10 vegetables and 10 fruits that we love so much. So today we are going to learn the right pronunciations for these fruits and vegetables. If you are ready, come take a ride with me. We are going to be looking at vegetables first. The first one is cucumber, cucumber, pumpkin, pumpkin, onion, onion, lettuce, lettuce, cabbage, cabbage, eggplant, eggplant, green beans, green beans, pepper, pepper, carrots, carrots. All right, everyone, quickly let's go over to our favorite fruits. Avocado, avocado, pineapple, pineapple, watermelon, watermelon, banana, banana, African star apple, African star apple, lemon, lemon, orange, orange, strawberry, strawberry, tomato, tomato, guava, guava. All right, everyone. I hope you learned. If you find this video interesting, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please do come back for more. Bye.